Kitchen. I'm Kat.
I'm Gina.
So today we're really excited. We're gonna try out Chrissy Teigen's roasted jalapeno chorizo queso. So it's really easy.
That's a mouthful.
The steps are really easy. The ingredients are easy. We're excited to try it out, especially in the summer. It's a great summer entertaining dish just to, serve up to your friends as you're having a nice drink on the deck. So let's get started.
Yes, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is chorizo, which is a spicy Mexican sausage. You're gonna wanna take it out of the casing. And I didn't hear about this sausage. I didn't know about this sausage until just a few years ago when a friend of mine introduced it to me during brunch. I had no idea. I was like, I think I like me some spicy sausage. So you wanna throw this in along with some chopped onions.
So this is a recipe that we're using today. We're using the recipe out of Chrissy Teigen's Cravings book, and it is on page 153. So it's the roasted jalapeno and chorizo queso. So it says that prep time is 10 minutes and it should only take us 30 minutes to make.
All right, I think it's all cooked now. It's a beautiful red color. It smells so good. So now we're gonna add roasted jalapeno peppers. So to roast them, you slice them half lengthwise. Take all the seeds and all the middle stuff out, throw it in the oven. The book didn't say how high the temperature, but we did it for like 375 for about 20-25 minutes. Just you wanna get like a nice little bit of the blackness on it, and then it's ready to come out. Chop it up.
Yeah, I like my spicy, so I left all my membranes and seeds in, so I like it spicy.
Woo! I can't handle it. I like it. I can't handle it. Throw in your tomatoes, some diced tomatoes, and Velveeta cheese. Can't have a good cheese dip without Velveeta. Is it even real cheese? Should I even ask that?
Nobody knows.
It's just good. Let's not overthink it. All right, mine is all good and melted. How about you, Catherine?
Yes, it looks so good.
It looks good. Okay, if you want an extra kick, you can throw in a little bit of chopped jalapenos in there, and then just let it sit in there for about a minute so the flavors all meld, and then you're pretty much done. So, Catherine, I noticed mine looks a little greasy, as with any sausage. Like, personally, I would have drained it when we were cooking the sausage with the onions, but I wanted to stick with the directions in the book, so I did not.
Hey, Chrissy Teigen does not tell you to drain your sausage, so we're not gonna do it.
Yeah.
She does say that, the reason she came up with this recipe is because it was a late night, she was out and she really wanted this, but she didn't have a can of Rotel, so she went ahead and roasted her own jalapenos and did her own tomatoes. So I think that might be like the quick tip. I guess that's an option if you're in a pinch.
All right, let's put it in a bowl so we can try it. All right, let's try it. I can't wait. This smells so good, and it was really easy.
Okay.
Catherine, I'm gonna let you describe what you're eating because I like how you describe your food, especially when you like it. I'm gonna assume you like this.
It's thick like paste, but it's good. I mean,
it is good.
It's spicy, woo! But this is
it crept up on me. I think I'll be able to finish this by myself. Honestly, I don't think any other cheese could work with it.
Right.
So Velveeta is better.
It's almost a meal in itself. I mean, there's chorizo, there's onions, there's jalapenos, there's tomatoes. But it's really thick, but it's got a nice kick, and it's creamy. You need some really good chips though, guys. Don't get any of those cheap ones. You need a really thick tortilla chip for this. This is really like heavy duty queso, but it is really good. I almost feel like if you wanted to take the shortcut and try it with a can of Rotel, you're really gonna miss out on that whole jalapeno roasted flavor. I think that is the real winner here. I think that that's what makes it special. I mean, yeah, the chorizo
That's
sausage
super
is
easy.
always good, but the secret here is the, roasting your own jalapenos and put it in here. It gives it a nice smoky flavor. So I'm gonna take another bite.
It is the best. If you don't have jalapenos, I'm thinking like if I had green bell peppers in the fridge and I didn't feel like going to the store just for the jalapenos, I think it could still work. It wouldn't be as good. I think if you roasted it, it still would have that smokiness. It would still be good.
Especially
but if you like it mild, maybe.
Yeah, especially if you don't like spice. I love spicy food, and this is just the perfect spice for me, which may be too spicy for a regular person that just is not a spice fan. So I like that idea.
Yeah.
Just roasting a plain old green pepper just to get the same flavor. I think that's the key. It's not the heat, it's the flavor. I think on a scale of 1 to 5 in terms of ease, this was super easy to make. I mean, I give this a 5.
I mean, there was the step of roasting them in the oven, but that was super easy.
Yep.
And then the rest of it is throwing everything in. So I think it was worth it.
Okay, in terms of taste, this is a 5. I think this is a real winner. I wish they served this at movie theaters. Guys, if you're looking for a quick and easy recipe to serve your guests at home or just for a movie night at home and for, Netflix and chill by yourself or with your loved one, I think this is like a really great, even a late night, food after the bars. But this is a really great dish. I would give it a perfect 10. I can't even say 10 because I got a tortilla.
Yes, a 10.
But this is really great. We give it our thumbs up for seal of approval. And we really highly suggest that you make this on your next get together. But guys, thanks so much for joining us. Jean and I had a really fun time making this. We're gonna have a fun time enjoying this. But come back next week as we test another recipe, showing you how easy it is to make, telling you how great it is, or maybe it's a fail. We don't know until we try it. So thanks, and we'll see you next week. Bye, friends.